Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the appearance of your chat while you are streaming on the Twitch website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on channel at the top. After that, you should click on customize channel on the right side. After that, tap on stream manager in the left side column of the screen. Here you can find the My Chat section on the left side, and if you want to make any changes, then tap on the settings button down below next to the chat button, and then here you can see the chat appearance section, so tap on it, and here you can select the font size on this slide. Then you can set readable colors, emote animations, you can enable timestamp for new messages, and you can also set the replies in chat. You can set it to minimum or set it to expanded. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.